Okay guys, so today I will be repairing my hole I have in my glass fiber boat. I've only done this about never, so we're gonna see how it's gonna go. Hopefully I'm gonna make a fishing video later. If my boat sinks, you will see that as well, of course. But yeah, gonna try to repair my glass fiber boat for the first time. We'll see how it goes. So first I'm gonna start with grinding down this area to where I can't see any more cracks and whatever, up to like 3 centimeters outside the cracks, and then I'm gonna apply the glass fiber and polyester resin and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna start with grinding it down. Yeah, so this was suboptimal. I didn't think it was this bad, but yeah, fuck. So I'm gonna cut out some, or I'm gonna grind it a little bit more. Then I'm gonna cut out the glass fiber and mix the resin. So from what I've seen, you should put some resin on the glass fiber at first. Obviously clean the surface before you do anything. So it's good to have resin on the sides to make the first layer stick. Obviously I'm talking out of my ass. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Kinda. Go look at YouTube videos if you want a professional doing this. This is just me documenting what I'm doing. So yeah, just kinda add the... Oh shit. Dog, this sucks. I should have had like one of those rollers the professionals have in the videos. And I should have made more resin. This is not gonna be enough. I was just testing out. So I think I'll be done with the first layer soon. I feel like I should use more resin for this, but I don't know. Okay, whatever. Then I put the next one in. Also, what I saw is that try to get out any like bubbles or anything in between the layers of fiber, because otherwise it won't harden as it should or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I'm done. and yeah, I'll show you some after results. Okay, so I made 2 parts right here, and I'm gonna start with the big one. I'm gonna add this first, of course. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it feels like this will be a success. Like, it's doesn't seem like it's some kind of fucking rocket science. As long as I mix the resin good, this should be fine. I mean, if it's not, it's not. I guess I'll fucking notice it if it's not fine. So yeah, let's start like this. And just smother it on there. Oh fuck. Dumbass. Yeah, that wasn't very smart of me. I say that this is gonna be a success, and then I absolutely make a fool of myself. That's just how it goes, I guess. Dog, I don't know, the amount of resin I have is making me uncomfortable. I feel like I can make like 1 more cup of this, but it feels like it's on the edge. Why the fuck did I put this on already? I should have done this. Okay, put that shit over there. And push the side down here so we don't have any air bubbles and shit. You should have like a roller, but I couldn't find one, and I couldn't be fucked buying one. So here we are. Me, what you wanna do? What you wanna do? White Boy Summer is gonna be so fucking back, boys. Like, when I get this boat up, god damn. God damn. You know, I want this video to be an example, not to be afraid to try new things. Obviously I've never fucking done this shit before, and it feels like this is obviously not impossible. Like, I think a lot of people are afraid of doing things because they are afraid that they will fail. But failure is a part of the process. It's how you learn. So just do things until you get good at them. It's it can be hard, but if you just take your mind to do something, it's not that hard and it's gonna work out. I'm actually really happy with this. I thought this was gonna go way worse. I haven't thought about the grinding yet, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Fuck, I need to make more resin. So yeah, I'm done with this process. Then I'm gonna put in like the filler, or I'm gonna grind this down, put in the filler, grind it down, then paint it, and hopefully it will look good. I need to find some paint and filler first though, but yeah. So now I have ground down the resin and glass fiber. The only thing I'd want different is to have more here, but I'll fill that out with body filler. I think this is gonna hold up fine anyway, so yeah, gonna clean this up and put filler on it. Okay, so I've cleaned this as much as I can, and now I'm gonna put on the body filler and yeah, basically try to get this as smooth as I can. Probably gonna look like shit, but whatever. I'm gonna try anyway. By the way, you really gotta be accurate with how you mix this body filler, but I'm just gonna fucking guesstimate. It's supposed to be 5 minutes that you like cure time on it. So you gotta be quick when you have put it together. Okay, really trying to get it in the corner. And this is also a case of the grinder makes you the welder you ain't kind of situation, because yeah, this gonna look like shit at first. So yeah, do not judge me, or you do, I don't know, I don't care. But yeah, I don't know if this will work, but I had an idea to like, okay, yeah, this kind of looks like shit, but whatever, it's something. I'm gonna obviously have to grind this down quite a lot, but that's fine. I don't really mind. So this is the first one. I'll do the next one now. So yeah, this is how the body filler turned out. Obviously looks like shit, but I'm gonna use the sandpaper and grind it down later when it's cured, and then we're ready to go for paint after that. So hopefully she will be like new soon and I won't sink. Okay, so now this has hardened and I'm gonna grind it down by hand. First I think it's like P80 sandpaper or something, and then I'm gonna go down to all the way to P320. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. Okay, now I've cleaned it enough where I'm happy about painting it. Yeah, I wish I had put more practice into the body filler, but this is gonna be fine for the first time. The boat will boat, so yeah, let's put some paint on this bitch. Okay, so this is how it turned out after the second coat of paint. So it's obviously not fucking perfect. I could have done it much better if I was more accurate with the body filler, and I was stupid and left too much paint on it, but whatever. The boat will float, so I think this will be good enough. And I'll be making a fishing video soon, probably in a week or two, hopefully. I need to fix the fucking fuel, what's it called? The fuel hose to the engine. But yeah, good day to fix the boat at least. So that's everything for my boat repair, obviously. Not a guide, just documenting how I did it. And yeah.